Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks. This is a very good example. Just read the question first. This is 3D model building test. Everyone can try to create it. You should not note that symmetry, tangent, arrow relationship. The same color lines arc means equal length, not mark wall thickness is T. Carefully observe the model. Now here we have some parameters like A45, B50, C. These all data we have to input it. Then we have to find these four questions. What is the distance between P and P2? This is our model. So this corner and this corner distance we have to find out. Then what is the area, green surface area? Okay, green surface, the only this green you will observe here, this green color area. Then you have to find the blue surface area. Look back side, this is the blue surface area, and you have to find out the volume. These all answer written here. Let's start. We will start from, you will observe this middle portion. What is this middle portion? You will see distance A, vertical distance B, then there is an angle C. C is 56 degree, A is 45, B is, and what is the height of this? You will observe here, F. F means it's written 8. So we will use some definitions. Then corner radius R8, you will observe here, and this upper radius R3. Okay. Then we will make this part. Okay, let's do this first. Now right click on this and go to hidden tree item, equation, manage equations. Now here global variable we have to apply. Let's say A, press tab key, and here apply the dimension. What is the dimension for A? We written here 45, tab, write B, tab command. Now here write 50, C, tab key. Now here write 56 degree. So unit go and change from here degree, 56 degree. Say OK. Now here write D, tab key, and for D 21. E, tab key, and this is going to be E, how much? 50, again tab, F, tab, F is given 8 millimeter. This is the thickness of those. Tab, the last one is T, 1, enter. Now we define all the dimensions for these global variables. Say OK. Now make sure unit you change millimeter. Now start with top plane, sketch. Now I am going to activate here line tool. Okay. Let's define connect with this. Now select the line and point and make it midpoint. That's it. Now select these two lines, mirror. It's mirror. It's better to apply here some. Now okay, let's select all, make sure copy, and let's make this one. Okay, let's define the dimension. Now press equal to global variable, this is going to be B. Say OK. Okay. Now fillet. Now this is going to be 8 millimeter, and I am going to apply these corners. Say yes. Okay, cancel. Now again smart dimension. Now press and hold shift key and select this outer edge.
make sure you selected outer edge. Okay, now here press equal to global variable a, save. Okay, now still one angle balance, so define this angle equal to global variable and define this angle 56 degrees. See, okay, yes, look, this is fully defined sketch. Now simply exit, go to feature and activate extruded boss base feature. Now here equal to global variable f, f is the thickness for this, say okay, yes, let me uncheck. Now corner radius fillet, fillet type constant type fillet. Here fillet parameters keep symmetric and read the radius is 3 millimeter. Either choose top face or edge. Now the wall thickness is 1 millimeter, so I am going to apply shell. Select this back face. Here I am going to apply 1. If you want to see, show preview. See. Now let's apply this portion. Look, you will observe this portion. Okay, let's take dimension from here to outside 100. E is equal to how much? 50. So means from outside to center is going to be 50. Okay, then you can simply use this outer radius 10 millimeter, whole 6 millimeter we will make it later. Then there is a wall, this wall you will see from back side 5 millimeter from here to here. This one side wall is connected from outer edge, and wall thickness T 1 millimeter, and height for this. Now you will see the visible height for this f plus 1 total minus 1 minus 1. So this is going to be 7, so we will go with formula. Then here two wall, these wall are start from center to here, and this is parallel to each other. This is the important dimension, and these wall heights are just equivalent to f. See here, you will observe from here, see the open space means this is up to this surface. Now let's start with same top plane, sketch, activate circle. Now the outer diameter we have to apply 610, enter, right click, exit. Now let me define center line, so makes our job easy. Okay, smart dimension, start from your press and hold shift key and select outer edge, and see it shows the outer dimension. Okay, now equal to 100 minus E. Okay, it's not accepting, so simply minus 50. Okay, line. Now connect, start from anywhere here and connect with this, exit. Now distance from here to here is 5 millimeter. Okay, now select these two line, not only these two line, construction and this one, and directly click mirror entity, and it's mirror. Now let me select this outer edge and make it convert entities. Power trim, just press and hold shift key and move and delete unnecessary edge, otherwise it creates thin feature. Okay, now we have two close profile. Okay, extruded boss base. First I am going this 1 millimeter thickness according to, so arrow is upside 1 millimeter thick. Okay, again select the sketch, extruded boss base. In selected contour, choose this surface. Now this is the length is equal to f plus 1. Okay. See, again I am going to choose the same sketch, and this time I am going to use this line. Convert entity, extruded boss base. I am going to use here thin feature, line thickness 1 millimeter. And just check, line thickness goes inside, so the direction is perfect. Okay, here choose reverse. Now this is going to be f minus 1. Say okay. 1 millimeter less. Okay. Now this is created, but at this point some problem. So select this face, sketch, isometric view, activate convert entity. Now these things are converted, extruded boss base, and here choose up to next in direction, and this is going to move only up to this body. Say okay. You will see the preview. Mirror, front plane is the center, mirror feature. Now select these two. See, okay. You will see here. Again I am going to select bottom face, sketch, reverse. That's it. Now activate line tool and start from this center point. The line is going to start from center point, and it's going to connect. Let's check this view. And let's make connect to this inside. Okay. Now select outer line and this line, make relation parallel. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Extrude. Now blind, and here equal to this length going to be f, equal to f, global variable f. Okay, but thickness, you will observe thickness should be go outside. So from here, thickness 1 millimeter, reverse. See, this is moving outside. But here also change this direction, upper side. Say okay. Let's check anything we can do it here. Check backside. Okay, backside no. We only need to fill this gap. So select this face, similarly sketch, convert entity. Now look, this face is converted. Even though you can draw the line one by one, that's not the problem. Extruded boss base. Now I want to move this up to this face. So I am going to choose here up to next. So system will detect, and this portion will extend up to available next surface. Look, see, these are same plane. Now let's mirror this. Reference plane front and feature to mirror, extruded boss base. You will see here. Okay. Okay, only one feature we added. Edit feature. There are two, extruded boss base thin feature and this one. Okay, that's it. See, okay, now select this one and let me apply some color to it, and I'm going to here apply some $130. Okay, so it looks more visible. Hole, select this hole, standard, let's say ISO standard drill size, and here the center hole going to be drilled 6 millimeter. Now end condition, how long we need to draw, so keep here up to next. Next means if I am going to choose this surface, the hole going to create up to this surface. Okay, go to position, you have to select one 3D sketch or 3D surface or any surface. I am going to select this surface. Now just see the tool is activated. Now I want to place at center, so keep cursor on edge and you will find a midpoint. Right click, select exit. See, now let me save this, otherwise if I miss. Now you can select this surface, edit, and make it green because I want to find the color for this. Even though fillet pink, so that we can identify the things clearly. Now let's start to make, we did some little modification, so let's start to make this portion, this center one, and you will observe from bottom this is a hollow, and you will see there is a section view mm, this is the section view mm, this is hollow, you will see, and the thickness is going to be 1 millimeter T, it's 1 millimeter. Okay, and what is the dimension for this? From here to bottom D 10, then this one is 10. Then there is a circular body, this diameter 25, this diameter also 25, corner radius R5. Okay, then this diameter 17, this upper one, and 4 millimeter from here, and there is a one both side chamfer, that's it, and hollow 1 millimeter. Let's do this first. This is lies at center, so I'm going to use front plane, a sketch. Now here I'm going to use this sketch. Activate line tool, and I'm going to use this inner surface. And connect. Center line, make sketch. Why I am going to choose from circle? So while I am going to create a cutout, it will help us. I'll show you how. Now first distance from here to bottom edge, let's say equal to global variable D. Say okay. Now this dimension 15. Similarly for this 7. Okay, now height defined, let's define this height 10, 11. Okay, and the diameter for this 25. Okay, activate revolve boss base feature. Now system asks, because this is open profile due to construction line, so you want to close, say yes. You will see the preview. By default, system took this center line as an axis of revolution. By default 360 degree, because I want to create a complete 360 round. Say okay, and here look. Now select this corner and you will see pop up fillet. Fillet type here, first one constant type. Show selection bar, tangent propagation, both edges are tangent to each other. Parameters symmetric and radius 5. Say okay. See? Now let's make, we want to cut some front plane, sketch. Okay. Let's draw a center line. Exit. Now let's select outer edge. Convert entity. Okay. Okay, okay, we need this. Connect up to here. Connect this line to this. And make sure this one offset. Now offset 1 millimeter. Here choose chain, reverse. You will see. Say okay. Now outer line, select construction line. Let's do this line. Okay, let me connect one line, solid line from here to this end, because I want to make a near close section. Make one line from here to here. Revolve cut. Say okay. Select this one. Show the preview. Center line took by default system 360 degrees. Say okay. Let's check front view, section view. Okay, look, this is what our drawing. Now again choose front plane, sketch, corner rectangle, draw one center line, horizontal vertical center line, smart dimension. Now this distance from center distance 25. Okay, thickness 4 millimeter, and also distance from upper edge 4 millimeter. Look, it seems fully defined. So activate revolve boss base feature. By default system took this center line as axis of revolution. Okay, chamfer. Here I am going to choose distance or angle distance 1 into 45 degrees. Select this surface so that it will apply on both edges. No need to select 2 times. Say okay. See here. Let's make 4 number of holes. See, you will observe 4 number of hole 3 diameter, and there is distance 3 millimeter from outer edge. Okay, then we will make this one. E means 50 millimeter from here to here. We have to make this pipe. This pipe diameter, just check, section N. See here, section N. Where is section N? This section N. Look, this is critical. Now this pipe is tangent with this edge. 1 millimeter this distance from outer edge, 1 millimeter from this top surface, 1 millimeter. This is important dimension. Okay, and see this distance D from bottom. Okay, and upper diameter 2 millimeter more, thickness 5 millimeter thickness. Okay, this flange. If you calculate center to center distance is going to be 4.5. We just I'll tell you. Select this face or directly go to hole wizard. ISO standard drill size, and the diameter here I am going to use 3 millimeter. Now thickness I want to next, means if I am going to select this surface, this is going to cut up to back surface. Position, now place somewhere here, right click, choose select and out. Now first dimension, first make constraint, select both the points, make vertical, smart dimension. Now select this one and hold shift key and select the top edge 3 millimeter. Look, it is fully defined sketch. Just turn, tilt. Okay, see the hole is created. Here I am going to choose circular pattern. Now I am going to use one circular face for direction. 4 number of equal spacing, because I want to place all hole in equal distance. Okay, that's why I choose 360 degree, so that we will place at perfect 4 number of holes. And the here feature hole already selected here. Whatever feature you have to select here. See. Now let's create one plane. Right plane at center. Plane. Here choose 50. Flip offset. Okay. Now select the plane sketch. Reverse. This hole we're going to make here. Okay, let's try to make. Press and hold shift key, select this outer edge and this edge 1 millimeter. This is important. Now select similarly the outer edge here, press and hold shift key, select bottom edge and this length 1 millimeter. Okay, similarly select this bottom, select press and hold shift key, select this upper edge, and let's make this one equal to global variable D, even though directly press D is okay. Look, this is seems fully defined. Even by default, if you want to check the hole, this is going to be 4.5 millimeter. That's fine. Now here let me create one more hole. Smart dimension. The hole thickness is bigger than 2 millimeter bigger than. Okay, extrude. Isometric view. Now here in selected, because we have two close profiles, we have to select anyone. So just keep cursor inside, click and see. Now here in direction choose next. Next means whatever things going to come on next, it will project on this. Say okay. Look. Now I am going to use the similar sketch. Extruded boss base. This time in selected contour more cursor and select this one. not next, keep blind, and here depth given 5 millimeter. Say OK. Click and hide. See? Okay, this is at perfect location. Okay, there is a one fillet, but we have to create one plane at this center distance 4.5, 1 millimeter, and this 45 degree, 135 degree, and also you will observe this is center position. Okay, then at bottom we will start this hole, 9 dia, 3 millimeter inside hole, 3 millimeter from this corner edge, and how long we need to extrude? Up to D length. That's fine. Okay, let me select this face, sketch, activate circle, diameter 9, enter. Now place this at this. Now drag and this point. Fine. Smart dimension. Now select upper edge and this edge 3 millimeter. That's fine. Extrude equal to D. Upside. Look. Okay, let's create here also we need to make a hole. Similarly, hole wizard. Here choose simple hole, ISO standard drill size 3 millimeter, and up to next. So go to position, select this face and place at center. Just keep cursor over edge and you will see the center mark. Right click, choose exit. Say OK. See? Okay, let's create one plane. For reference, front plane 4.5 we already calculated. Flip offset. This is center of this cylinder. Say OK. Now select the plane, sketch, make it turn. Okay, here I am going to make fine. Okay, let's make one important relation. Now select this point and this point. One line. That's it. Now apply dimension 135 degree. Okay, let's check. Is there any problem? Okay, this is not lies at. Select this edge and this point coincide. Now it seems fully defined, this sketch. You will see here. Okay, let's move this one inside. Inside line and this one coincide. Now choose rib. Flip material size. Keep material both side 1 millimeter thick. Say OK. And here we go. See? Hide. Now look, we also have here one more rib. You will see 1 millimeter thick. See section view from this side, U. You will see this is lies from center to here, and you will see here, no, not this view, this view. This is going to rest at this corner parallel to this 40 millimeter. This is important. So for that we need to create a plane here. Let's plane. Okay, delete this. Now I am going to select this edge and this edge. Now going to create on this. Perfect. Now select sketch. Now let's activate here line tool and start from this point to this wall. Let's say angle 40 degree. Look, that's it. Rib feature. Now first check arrow direction. It is moving upside. Flip material size. Then the thickness movement. This is equal both sides. So I want one side. This is going outside, inside, 1 millimeter thick. Fine. Say okay. Here we created. See. Click and hide plane and see the rib is created. Now let's make this portion. This is important. 20 dia, this outer dia 16. 3 millimeter, and this bottom face is parallel to this bottom face. And you will see there is a cutout from here to here, 8 millimeter. Fine. And distance 10 millimeter from this face. Let's do this. Thickness same we will keep. Now we created a plane for this. So where exactly? Not plane 1, plane 2. Okay, this plane we created for this. Plane 2. Sketch. Now let's create center line. Okay, let's apply line. And connect with this. Exit. Okay, let's define 10. Now distance from here to diameter, it's 20. This diameter 16. Okay. The height 3 millimeter. The important relation. Now select this bottom edge and this one collinear. This is important relation. And okay, this distance given 8 millimeter. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Revolve a boss base. This is open profile, so close it, yes, and select this one. This line has the axis of revolution. Keep end condition blind because I want to make a complete 360 body. Say okay. Look here. Now the whole thickness is just 1 millimeter less than this. So just click show. This face, sketch, activate circle. Now thickness between these two 1 millimeter. See. Now here I am going to choose extruded cut And for depth I am going to choose up to next. Next means up to inside. You will see, look. Now let me choose plane 2 section view. Okay, look, the rib hole, everything is created. Now let's hide. Now again I am going to use plane 2 sketch. Use midline, center mid. Activate line tool. Okay, before going to activate line tool, let me select this outer edge. Convert entity. Then again connect from here to here. Smart dimension. This length shows 8 millimeter. Okay. Now offset entity. Change. Select this one. Reverse. Okay. Trim entity, power trim, and trim this one. Okay. Now let's see what we can. Now select these outer edges or outer lines, make it construction. Now choose this end to this end and make it closed geometry. Fine. Revolve cut feature. Say yes. Select this center line as an axis of revolution. You will see here 360 degrees. Say yes. Let's check section plane 2 section view. Okay, let's check the cutout. See, this is how I want. Okay, let's select this area, blue. Okay, let's find out. I think we did all the jobs. Let's find out the result. P1, P2. Okay, P1, P2. Go to evaluate measure. Select this endpoint. And this endpoint. Look, 61.2. This is our correct answer, right? Clear. Now select this face. Now this face area, look, this is 771.4. This is the our correct, right? Clear. Then what? Which area? Okay, bottom. Now select this face. And this is 812.87. Look, this is the area. square. That's it. We did it. Now choose volume. Mass property. Cubic millimeter. Look, 106,965.6. This is your, we achieved. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.